The key to stress management isn't a holiday. The miracle cure to your distress isn't a hike, the beach, or a five-star resort on a private island. While those activities help, because essentially you are taking time off to reflect, that distance from the stressor helps you calm down and potentially evaluate the situation from different angles. However, distance does not help if you are constantly seeking shelter and peace in the process of hiding away. The real relief comes when you confront what is deeply bothering you. When you work on self-evaluation, have a reality check, and confront the real problem, not trying to escape it with an exotic vacation, then the distress decreases significantly. Love Weisberg coaching. When you understand the algorithm of happiness, it is effort in the desired direction, building meaningful connections, being extremely grateful for what you have, striving to contribute and give, choosing to love, in spite of all disappointment and hurt. When love equals respect, there is a divine energetic balance. Your loved ones, friends, colleagues, partner respect your boundaries, as long as they are clearly expressed and communicated. They make visible steps towards change, even if minimal and unsuccessful. You don't have to plead, insinuate, argue. They act because they know your words carry weight. Partnerships. 1. Common values and vision for the future. 2. Complementary differences. 3. Flexibility and willingness to adapt and take personal responsibility. 4. Open communication and feedback, focusing on solution seeking, not blame and shame. Just ask, during an interview, at work, or when in doubt about where you stand in your relationship. Don't assume. When you receive the answer, don't just listen to the words, but observe the body language, eye contact, tone of voice. The last 3 give you half of the answer along with what is said. Today is a good day to unlearn what no longer serves you. Whether that's a victim mentality, extremely controlling one, the mix of a critical complainer, the always out of place and never fitting in attitude, the obsessive, the masochistic, the etc. Know someone like the above? Of course you do. We all do. We all are, or have been, one or a few of them. Unlearning and letting go of habits, behaviors, people, material possessions is most difficult for people with trauma of abandonment, who wear the mask consciously or subconsciously of the addict, addictive personality, codependent in relationships, seeking constant approval and validation at work. Fear not, people can change, let go and unlearn. How? Only when they feel a deep inner need to.